What's up, guys? Welcome to a new episode of Luke's Vlog. Today I'm in Pai, which is like close to Chiang Mai. I'm staying at this lovely resort right here. This looks like Candyland. This is like a nice place to get out of the city for a while. It's pretty close, but the road towards Pai is crazy. I'll show you some footage right here. Pretty a lot of corners. So this is our room. I'm here with Ness. Seen her in the Grand Canyon video. Look, it's Candyland. It's like a Alice in Wonderland shit. So we're gonna take a dip in the pool right now. Yeah, I'll show you around a bit. That's so nice. That giant Buddha right there. I'm there right now. We're at the Buddha. Okay, this is the steps that you have to take, and they're asking you to dress politely. So look at that. Look at that. So there's the Buddha right there. It's huge. Going out there right now. I'll show you like a time lapse of these stairs right here. Okay, yeah, no, I thought that would be way easier, but it's fucking scorching out there, so I'm sweaty. Made it. Hope you like the time lapse. It's big, it's huge, it's beautiful, it's everything you want it to be. Very nice. Okay guys, so this right here, this is Pai Canyon. This is like one of the main attractions here in Pai. It's absolutely stunning. You're surrounded by mountains like everywhere. Okay, so that's lightning. Those are probably thunderclouds coming this way, so we better get out of here. But it's gorgeous here. I just want to stay longer. Fuck. But I don't want to be here when the rain starts pouring from the sky. So I'll see you somewhere else. So guys, we made it to a hot spring. The hot spring is like up the stream right there, but it kind of flows down, and the hot spring is 80 degrees Celsius, and it flows down and goes cooler, 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 cooler. And it's like the first one you can actually stand in. It's pretty nice. It's like pretty similar to the onsen I went in Japan. Okay, what's up guys? So we're actually at Unilai viewpoint. This is a viewpoint people go in the morning actually, but it's like sunset right now. But in the morning you get like the entire landscape is like filled with fog. And that's why people come here. But right now it's evening, nobody's here. So we got this entire place for ourselves. And look at this view guys, it's so amazing. It's so fucking amazing. Much love. Hit that subscribe button if you like this video. Right there, that's where the Buddha is that we went this afternoon. It's so huge, it's insane. I want to talk to you guys about, I've been getting a lot of questions about like building passive income, because that's basically what like one of my websites is. It's something that's really great to have, especially when I'm traveling. So to all digital nomads out there that are watching this video, like I would really suggest, or aspiring digital nomads, I would really suggest like building that, because it's like so nice to have. I might just do a video on that, like giving you ideas about what to build, maybe giving you tips. Should I do that? Let me know if I should do that. Right now, just enjoying this view. That's right there. Really been loving this day, guys. Really been loving this day. Hit that like button if you like this day too. So after this, we're gonna go to the Pai walking street, and there's supposedly good food there. Right now, just taking in this view, watching the sunset. So I'll see you guys after this time lapse on the street. Okay, so found this pretty cute bar. Ordered mixed grill for 280 baht, which is less than 9 euros, and you get free salad buffet. Right, it's food. That's good. We got some live music going on. Oh nice. Sky's looking really nice. Lighting's looking really nice. Really nice place. Alright, I'm after this. I'll see you later. Okay, so I've been gaining some weight here in Thailand. Well, look at this. So that's banana, Nutella, and something else, but it's so good. The sweets here in Thailand are amazing.
And white chocolate.
And white chocolate. When I get back to Bali, I gotta lose some weight, but right now. Hey guys, so as I'm eating this super nice chocolate banana waffle, I'm gonna end the vlog here. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget, leave a comment. Let me know what you enjoyed. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace out. Bye. Just walking this elephant. Nothing special.